Our world is more connected than ever, and each bite of food we take is a chance to make a difference. Choosing foods that support our planet isn't a trend, it's a movement. At Ojaswe, the chickpea chilla pancake mix is about flavor and sourcing from regenerative farms where crops replenish the soil, seasons support farmers, and ingredients nourish you and our earth. This season, let's celebrate the light within ourselves and our planet, one climate-friendly meal at a time. Because when we care for our world, we care for each other. I'm thrilled to announce that Ash, the visionary founder of Ojaswe, will be joining us as a speaker at our Grand Cayman Chocolate Mindfulness Retreat, March 2025. I look forward to seeing you there for a journey that's nourishing for the spirit.